Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Wednesday, June 5th, 2024. It was a pretty remarkable day today for the Bulls. I'm not really all quite sure what they got all bowled up about, but in any case, I had this read totally wrong, meaning that I was really looking for an A. I was under the impression this is with the wave structure. My preferred pattern was an A, B, and then we were coming up and making a bunch of ABCs and going to come up to the 78% retracement, fill that, and then from there head down. And that obviously the market really had something else in mind because we got through it and then pulled back, used it as support, and then it was I don't think we had more than a 4 point dip the entire time. So it was a melt up. It was a short squeeze. I was on the wrong side of this. I it was not fun. But you're going to take your hits here and there with it, and with the members, we actually did a 53-35, 53-40 call spread because I even though we are around in this area here, I didn't think we were going all the way up here. But as I said, the market had something else in mind. We have huge bearish divergences. And really, the new wave structure right now is this is a 1, 2, and now we're scraping out. We're going to finish the wave 3, and then from there, come down, make a 4, and then a 5, and then that's going to complete that. And then from there, we'll probably be looking at some type of pullback to bring us. I'm going to have to wait and see on where it is, but it's not going to be. It's where I was looking at that the 49.90. That was if we did make this top right here and came down. This would have been the previous. That this would have been where we're coming. So just looking at this, we can see we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we're making the 5. And that will just be probably a wave 1 on it. So if we're looking, we can probably anticipate that once we do make this top, I mean, it may be all the way up at 5,400. But if we just look at the extensions on here, where are they? Hang on one second. I think I put them here. Bear with me. I'm just trying to see what I did with these. Okay, so the extensions, you can see we have 123. That's at 53.76, not that far above it. And then we're looking at the 53.93. But, there's odds that we're going to come up to these. These are just your pivots that we want to keep an eye on. And once it's there, then we'll be able to figure out what, if we're going to anticipate a pullback, where it's going to go to. But here you can see bearish divergences. RSI is in extreme overbought levels. On the hourly chart, we had bearish divergences that got fixed. But if we look at the RSI is getting into levels where we can move up, but we're going to get some type of little pullback. And again, that's where I'm probably looking at that wave, the wave 4 down that probably could take us somewhere into the 51 or probably test the 200-day moving average somewhere around that 52.36. But you can see pretty oversold there on the daily charts. Now this is, unless it fixes itself, we have a daily divergence on here. So again, when this plays out, it's probably going to give us a little bit more of a pullback than what we've seen. But right now, it does look like there's some more room to the upside, and we're going to get that wave 4 down at some point. But it most likely is going to get bid back up until we complete the 5 waves up here. So short term, we really, geez, the Bulls just need to get it above there. 53.76, I guess, would be it. But for the Bears, it's kind of, I guess, the first level would be just 53.41. But then there's support down at the 53.24 level. So we have to keep an eye on that. But really, a test of the 50-day moving average at the 53.12 would make sense as well. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.